Okay, as soon as you log in, you will start seeing a few new things. You will not see these files. These are my files that I've been using for a while, but you'll see an empty screen here, but you'll start seeing all these different apps. And to check that you're logged in, you'll see your name. And when you click on the initials, you'll see your email address. The most important thing is, if you don't see these app shortcuts, if you click on the 9 dots, which are known as a waffle, you will also see the apps in there. First things first, what you're going to do when you log in is you're going to go to OneDrive. OneDrive is where you're going to save your work. So we're going to click it, and then in here you'll make a new folder. So click on new folder, and then you will call it innovation, and then you'll click create. Once you press create, your folder will appear here. Now you will not see again all these folders. These are mine. You click on the folder, it will open up, and look how easy it is to start doing your work, which will be automatically saved in this folder. Click on new, and you say Excel workbook. Once you click on Excel workbook, it will open a blank Excel document for you. Inside of this, I would like you to type in this information here. So you will write question 1, enter the number of plants you counted last week in the botanical garden, plant A, B, C and D, how many? And then for plant A, you look at your paper and write how many. For plant B, you'll do the same, C and D. You'll do the same for question 2 in terms of the plant heights, and you look at your paper again. You'll put the heights for plant A, C and D. We don't have plant B because remember, that was the climbing curved one that I didn't ask you to measure the height as it was difficult. Now you can see how there's a lot of space in here in these boxes. The easiest thing to do is, if ever these boxes are hiding some of your words, just go between the letters, the 2 letters where it's hidden, and double left click on your mouse. Double click. So when you double click, it will open up for you automatically. Okay, so fill in this information in Excel, and that should sit in here, and then you just rename by clicking book, and you call it botanical, make sure you spell it right, garden data. That's it, and it automatically saves for you. Now look what happens when I click on OneDrive. See there it says book 1. Automatically when I refresh my screen, it will give me the new name. You see that? And that's where you will stop for your today's lesson.